Good evening. Good evening to all. Mahaganathipate. Yeah, good evening to all. Good evening, good evening. Yes. Mahaganathipate Namaha. Today we are going to learn about linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Okay. This topic is very, very important. You will find this topic in even 10th standard also and even higher classes also. So be cautious when you are listening to this. Before going to do this, just I want to tell you a situation. Vaishali wants to buy 2 books and a pen. She wants to buy 2 books and a pen. Okay. So she went to her father and she asked her father that I want to buy 2 books and a pen, 2 notebooks and a pen, and I want money. So her father agreed to give money, but he kept a condition that okay, I'll give you, no problem for that, but you need to form an equation. You need to represent, not form an equation, you need to represent this situation in the form of a mathematical equation. If you are able to do that, then I'll give you money. This was what he asked her, he questioned her like this. Sure, I'll give you money, but this situation, whatever is there, you came to me, you asked me money for buying 2 notebooks and a pen. Surely I'll give you, but you have to represent this situation in the form of a mathematical equation. Then I'll give you money. Then she said, okay, first you give me money, I'll go to shop, I'll buy the books, and then after coming back, I'll explain or I'll convert the situation into a mathematical equation. And Jepina. Okay. Her father gave her 500 rupees. She went to a shop. And she asked about 200 pages notebooks, white notebooks for doing mathematics, and a pen. Okay. So after taking these 2 books and pen, the shopkeeper, he told that the total money is 225 rupees. 225 rupees. Let it be 220. 220 20 rupees. Okay, she paid 220 to the shopkeeper and went back home. And the remaining money, how much left? How much did her father give? How much money did her father give? నాన్నగారు ముందు ఎంత ఇచ్చారు? అక్షయ్ నేషన్, ఆర్ యు దేర్? వైశాలి, నాన్నగారు ఎంత ఇచ్చారు నీకు? 500 ఇచ్చారు. దాంట్లో 2 books and 1 pen ఎంత ఖర్చు అయింది? X రూపీస్ ఇచ్చారా? 500 ఇచ్చారు వైశాలి. నువ్వు వింటల్లా. నీకు మీ నాన్నగారు 500 ఇచ్చారు. నువ్వు షాప్కి వెళ్ళి 2 books ఒక పెన్ను కొనుక్కున్నావు. అది 220 రూపీస్ అయింది. So how much is remaining with you? How much is remaining with you? minus 220, how much? 280 rupees. Very good. So you gave that money to your father. Ventane ayana annaru, okay, I will take this one, no problem. But I told you now you have to represent the situation in the form of an equation, in the form of a mathematical equation. That's what he is asking you. Sare nu 280 istunavu naku, okay, baane undi. కానీ నేను నీకు ఏం చెప్పాను? యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిప్రజెంట్ ది సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ అన్ ఈక్వేషన్ అని చెప్పా కదా. నౌ యూ కన్వర్ట్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ అన్ ఈక్వేషన్. దట్ ఈస్ హిస్ క్వశ్చన్. వైశాలి, యూ టెల్ హౌ కెన్ వి రిప్రజెంట్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ అన్ ఈక్వేషన్? దిస్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ టు వైశాలి. Okay, if you are not able to tell, I will give you clue. Okay, together 2 books and 1 pen together it is 220 rupees. Is that right? You know cost of 1 book? You know what is the cost of 1 book? We don't. You know what is the cost of 1 pen? That is also don't know. But we know cost of 2 books and a pen is 220. మనకి ఒక బుక్ కాస్ట్ ఎంతో తెలియదు, అలాగే ఒక పెన్ను కాస్ట్ ఎంతో తెలియదు. కానీ మనకి ఏమి తెలుసు? The total cost of 2 books and a pen we know it is 220. So దాన్ని రాద్దాం. పోనీ ఏమైంది? Cost of 2 books plus cost of 1 pen is equal to 220. Cost of 2 books plus cost of 1 pen is equal to 220. Okay. So here we don't know cost of 1 book na. Let it be as let cost of 1 book is X rupees and cost of 1 pen is Y rupees. అదేంటి పెన్ కూడా X అని అనుకోవచ్చు కదా. కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 1 book X, కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 1 pen Y ఎందుకు అది X అని కావచ్చు అంటే because both are different. 1 book cost is not same as 1 pen cost. That is what we have to remember. 1 book cost and 1 pen cost both are different. I didn't say that they are same. So let the cost of 1 book is X rupees and the cost of 1 pen is Y rupees. Then according to the situation, Vaishali bought 2 books. one book cost X rupees, then two books cost 2x rupees. Two books cost 2x rupees. And she bought one pen and one pen cost y rupees. So together 220 rupees. Cost of two books and one pen, that is 2x plus y, is equal to 220. So the situation is represented in the form of a mathematical equation here. 2x plus y is equal to 220. Okay. Now I'll tell you one more situation. One day, Lohit Babu went to a sports shop. He went to a sports shop. Okay. And he is inquiring about the cost of bat, cricket bat and cricket ball. He is inquiring about the cost of cricket bat and ball. The shopkeeper told him that the cost of one bat is 1500 rupees and the cost of one ball is 500 rupees. Sorry. Okay, let it be. Then I need to change the situation. Yeah. The shopkeeper told that if you buy two bats and one ball, it will cost you 4,000 rupees. The shopkeeper told like this. Lohit Babu is inquiring about the cost of cricket bat and cricket ball. Then the shopkeeper, he told him that a shopkeeper అనేవాడు వాడికి పజిల్స్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. ముఖ్యంగా అడగడం పజిల్స్ అడగడం అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. వెంటనే అతను ఏమంటున్నాడు, I will not tell you the cost of one bat and one ball, but I will give you one equation, then you need to estimate it. If you buy two bats and one ball, the total cost will be 4,000 rupees. Okay na? If you tell this situation in the form of an equation, I will give you 20% discount. That is what he is asking. షాప్ వాడు ఏమన్నాడు, ఫస్ట్ వీడిని చూసారే నువ్వు ఏం చదువుతున్నావు అన్నారు. అంటే వీడు స్టడీ 9th స్టాండర్డ్ అన్నాడు. ఓకే, ఏ స్కూల్? ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్. ఓకే సరే, నువ్వు 9th స్టాండర్డ్ చదువుతున్నావు కదా, నేను నిన్ను క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను, నువ్వు కరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్ చెప్తే నేను నీకు 20% డిస్కౌంట్ ఇస్తాను. ఓకే, సో దెన్ హీ ఆస్క్డ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇఫ్ యూ బై two bats and a cricket ball, then it will cost you 4,000 rupees. Now represent the situation in the form of an equation. Then immediately what he has done? Cost of one bat X rupees, one ball Y rupees. So two bats 2x plus 1y is equal to 4,000. Immediately what he said? Immediately he responded like this. Cost of one bat is X rupees and cost of one ball is Y rupees. So one bat X rupees, then two bats 2x rupees and one ball Y rupees. So 2x plus y is equal to 4,000. 2x plus y is equal to 4,000. He told like that. Then the shop owner is very much happy about this Lohit Babu, that he thought that Lohit Babu is very good at mathematics. Immediately he gave a discount of 20% to him for buying two bats and one ball. Next, one more situation I tell you. One day a relative came to Tejan's house. Tejal's house. And Tejal is very much curious about, she loves the relative very much. Okay? And both went to a vegetable market. Both went to a vegetable market for buying potatoes and tomatoes. For buying potatoes and tomatoes. Okay. So Tejal is along with her relative, and relative, she asks the shopkeeper about the cost of 3 kgs of potatoes and 4 kgs of tomatoes. 3 kgs of potatoes and 4 kgs of tomatoes. And shopkeeper told the total cost is 175 rupees. 175 rupees. And Tejal's relative paid that 170 rupees and they came back to their house. They came back to their house. And after coming back to their house, that relative asked Tejal that, I think you observe the situation. Now kindly represent the situation in the form of an equation. Can you do it? This is what the Tejal's relative asked her. Then immediately Tejal replies like this. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that because we have already done this topic and I know how to convert the situation in the form of a mathematical equation. Oxidation, 3 kgs of potatoes and 4 kgs of tomatoes. Yeah. Tejal, what she did immediately? Let 1 kg of potato is X rupees and 1 kg of tomato Y rupees. 1 kg potato, no, you cannot take like this. You cannot take like that. Then you take, see, if you are taking 3 kgs of potatoes as X rupees, then even you can take 100 kgs of potato also X rupees, na? Akshay Nation. If you take 3 kgs of potatoes as X rupees and 4 kgs of tomatoes is Y rupees, then what is 50 kgs of potato and 75 kgs of tomato? That is also X plus Y, na? అప్పుడు ఇంతకు ముందు నీ X ఏమో 3 kgs, ఇప్పుడు X ఏమో 50 kgs. మారిపోవట్లా? అట్లా కాదు. That is not correct. So 1 kg of potato X rupees and 1 kg of tomato Y rupees. Now the equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 175 rupees. 175 rupees. This is the equation. Now children, I gave you 3 situations. So the 3 situations are, first one, 2x plus y is 220. Second one, 2x plus y is equal to 4000. Third one, 3x plus 4y is equal to 175. Okay na? If you observe these equations, each equation contains 2 variables. Each equation contains 2 variables, x and y. Is that right? X and y are variables. Okay, so we can call them as equations in two variables. We can call them as equations in two variables. Okay, now if you observe the exponents, on the variable in all the three equations, we can observe the exponent on each variable in each and every equation is 1. Is that right? The exponent on each and every variable in all the three equations is 1 only, if you observe that one. Okay now? So, if the exponent is 1, if the exponent on the variable is 1, such equations are called linear equations. Linear equations. Okay. So, these linear equations, these three are linear equations, and they have two variables in each and every equation. They have two variables in each and every equation. They are linear. Moreover, they are having two variables in each and every one. So, finally, we can call them as linear equations in two variables. So, these three equations are called linear equations in two variables. In two variables. Okay, children? So, the current topic or the present topic we are going to learn is linear equation in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. So, దానికి సంబంధించి I told you three situations. Okay na? So, real life situations. అంతే కదా? ఇట్లాంటివి ఎన్నో situations we can say. See, suppose Akshay Nation went to a CMR Central and he want to buy new clothes. He bought 3 t-shirts and 2 pants. 3 t-shirts and 2 pants. Okay? 3 t-shirts, 2 pants. Then the total cost is 7,800. The total cost is 7,800. Okay na? My voice is not good? Not clear? Children, is it not clear? My voice breaking. What is now? How is now? How is now, children? Is it okay now? It's breaking still. Maybe internet issues? Yeah, you can have quadratic equations in two variable, but not in this class. You'll have it in intermediate. Still breaking. Okay, what happened today? Maybe internet issues? Hello? 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 Can you hear me, children? Hello? Okay. Still breaking. Okay. Then you can leave for today. Maybe internet issues. You can leave for today. Tomorrow join again. Tomorrow join again. You can leave for today. Already 25 minutes over now. Only 5 minutes left. Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye.